How do you make super airy and crispy batter? Stay tuned for a few secret ingredients that you mostly already have in your kitchen.
Let's get started with this crispy shrimp with parsley. All you need is 15 minutes.
On a plate, add the deveined shrimp. And season it with salt and white pepper. On both sides. In a large bowl, add the cornstarch. You can also replace it with other types of starch. Salt. Baking soda. This will make the batter crispy. And baking powder. This will make the batter airy and puffy. Also add the egg white. And cold cup soda. And this will help the batter to be extra airy, light, and crispy. Mix together. Toss in the shrimp and parsley. You can also replace it with other herbs that you enjoy, like cilantro, dill, or basil. Mix together. In a pot over high heat, pour the oil inside. And heat it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the shrimp and parsley inside. Fry until crispy, about 3 minutes. Remove and drain on a paper towel lined plate. In a small bowl, mix together the 5-spice powder, white pepper, and salt. Whisk. You can serve the seasoning on the side or toss it together with the crispy shrimp with parsley. Time really flies. I have been producing food programs for 15 years already. My life has been full of tasty surprises, whether it was sour, sweet, bitter, or spicy. Whenever I thought I couldn't do it anymore, I would come to another turning point, leading to more exciting story. And please feel free to find out more at CiCi.tv/about.
It's shockingly crispy. The aroma of parsley is amazing. I love it. It's just so tasty. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. And I will see you again soon. Bye!